Let's make crunchy, sweet, and lightly spiced THC-infused candied nuts. Each serving is infused with 15 milligrams of THC. This recipe will need these ingredients: 2 cups of raw nuts, cashews, almonds, pecans, or skin-on peanuts for better coating, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 cup of coconut milk, 5 THC Honey Stix. Optional ingredients: 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, cinnamon, cocoa powder, chili powder, or sea salt. In a large skillet, add 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and 5 THC Honey Stix for infused sweetness. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat, then stir in 2 cups of raw nuts of your choice, cashews, pecans, almonds, or skin-on peanuts to help the coating stick better. Keep stirring as the water evaporates and the sugar crystallizes, turning the nuts dry and sandy. Keep stirring and watch as the sugar starts to melt again, creating a golden caramel coating around the nuts. Remove from heat and spread onto parchment paper. Sprinkle with cinnamon, sea salt, or chili powder for extra flavor. Once cooled, break into pieces and enjoy. Try this recipe at home and tag us. Follow Make Stix for more infused honey stick recipes.